Hey everyone, recently, the ZEEMR Z2 MINI projector went on sale in China, offering a plethora of remarkable features and advancements over its predecessor. With its dual-turbine cooling architecture and Venus optical engine, it can achieve a native resolution of 1080p and a maximum brightness of 650 CVI lumens. The Z2 MINI projector is unique in that it has multiple innovations: acoustic appearance and noise reduction. With two 8-watt full-band speakers and a double-shell dual-cavity acoustic appearance, the new model reduces noise by 39%. Additionally, it has an Level S DSP amplifier chip that supports 16-band equalization changes and produces high-quality sound, dimension and brightness. Compared to its predecessor, the projector is 27% quieter and 40% brighter. Better performance and longer lifespan are guaranteed with a 60% increase in heat dissipation efficiency. Display and control. The Z2 MINI has an AI Touch 2 control system and a 3.5-inch BOE LCD screen with good transmittance. A smooth viewing experience is guaranteed by its 6-axis gyroscope and CMOS image processing module for AI global focusing and global automated correction. The projector has multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, HDMI 2.0, and USB-A 2.0, and operates on an operating system devoid of advertisements. The limited edition Z2 MINI is available in Dawn Gold and Wilderness Green, and it blends style and utility. The ZEEMR has a 1.33:1 projection ratio, which allows it to project up to 150 inches. Those that purchase first releases gain many advantages. 1-year extended warranty with a 180-day replacement repair period is offered. Accessories. Comes with a 100-inch anti-glare screen, a desktop stand, and a disc (PTZ) vertical bracket. The ZEEMR Z2 MINI projector can now be bought in China for 1,299 yuan or about $180, which is the beginning price after coupon discount. This makes it a desirable choice for anyone looking for a premium projector with cutting-edge features at a reasonable cost. One of China's top e-commerce sites, JD.com, is where you can purchase the projector. On the other hand, the ZEEMR Z2 MINI projector's worldwide availability is still unknown. So, the ZEEMR projector provides a noteworthy improvement with better brightness, lower noise level, and better heat dissipation, which makes it a desirable option for home entertainment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have no questions. Have a nice day everyone and God bless you.